My favorite piece of gear is a watch. It's pretty simple, but I do appreciate a watch. I appreciate the mechanical movements of watches. My favorite place to travel is Europe, anywhere in Europe. I love Croatia, I love London, grew up in Germany. My favorite drink would be, tequila on the rocks with a lime. Nice and simple, smooth, goes down easy and you don't wake up with a hangover. My go-to meal to cook at home, I'm good at breakfast. So scrambled eggs, bacon, toast, that's it. Lunch, dinner, I'm ordering out. My favorite workout, I don't have one because I hate working out. But I do it almost every day, but I hate it.